Welcome to Medas Tech.
Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is full and empty. Full and empty. Full means containing something, having no space in it, where the empty means containing nothing. Full and empty. Now let us learn about the same with some examples. We have two buckets. One is full with sand, but the other one is empty. This one is full and this one is empty. Full, empty. Here, wow, we have so many toys. This box is full with toys. But this box does not have toys. This one is empty. Full, empty. Full, empty. Now, we have a flower pot with so many flowers. But this pot does not have any flower. This one is empty. Full, empty. Yes. Now, we have a glass. This glass is containing nothing. But this glass has juice in it. It is full with juice. Empty, full. Empty, full. Here, we have a basket full of fruits. But the other one has nothing. This one is full and this one is empty. Full, empty. Wow, shopping cart. Do you like to go to shopping? Yes, we have a shopping cart. This is full with so many vegetables. But the other cart is empty. Full, empty. Full, empty. Now, let's do the activity. We will circle the basket that is full of objects. We have two baskets here. Which one is full of objects? Right, this one. So let's circle it. Good job. Let's do one more activity. We will circle the empty paper bucket. We have two buckets here. Right? This one is empty. So we will circle the empty paper bucket. Thank you, children.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.